The year was 2000. The Y2K scare was behind us, and the movie Castaway would soon be released. But Lavern Beechy and his wife Mary, living in an Amish community in Elkhart County, Indiana, had their minds on something else: a new business. Lavern was working for a trailer company when a friend invited him to take over his business that specialized in solid wood desks. The timing was just right for the move to woodworking, so he and Mary set up shop in an old hog barn in Indiana, and the Elkhart Office Furniture Collection was born. They've since outgrown their barn and made the move to a new shop that sits behind a small farmhouse surrounded by fields and horse barns. Now, after years of selling desks and bookcases from Elkhart Office, we at DutchCrafters recognize them as one of our best partners in delivering outstanding office furniture to customers across America. Their product line now includes TV stands, coffee tables, and other occasional tables. While visiting our store with his wife Mary, Lavern turned to us and asked, "What can I do better?" It's that constant pursuit of improvement that can give you confidence that they're a great choice for your office furniture or occasional tables. So shop the collection now, and you can trust that your Elkhart office furniture will be masterfully built to your specifications by Lavern and Mary's family and their talented crew of woodworkers at their small Indiana woodshop. Thanks for watching. Click the link to visit us at DutchCrafters.com. Talk to you soon.